In this video, we'll show you how to make a Sony Burano accept external Timecode and Genlock. Turn on all your Lockit devices. Choose one of them to be the master clock. Then, press and hold the green button to broadcast timecode and framerate through ACN and you're set. Make sure all cameras and Lockits run on the same framerate. In the camera's advanced menu, which will require a long press on the menu button, navigate to TC Media, then Timecode. In the Timecode menu, select Preset, then Free Run. Switch the camera's timecode interface to In, as you want to feed in timecode. For this camera, you need an LTC-Out Timceode cable. Connect it to the BNC timecode connector. Now the camera accepts the external timecode source, indicated by the externally locked sign next to the timecode. Now let's take a look at the Genlock. In the Lockit menu, set the sync output to the correct value. Keep in mind that the Sony Burano expects an interlaced tri-level signal in most cases, even when you're shooting with a progressive rate. Choose PSF for single rates and 50i for double rates. For the Genlock sync you need an extra cable, the sync out cable. Connect it to the BNC Genlock connector labeled with Ref. It takes a few seconds until the camera calibrates to the Genlock input. In the basic menu, you will find External HD displayed in the Genlock section.